poised to hit the market as inventory continues to trend upwards. It's Friday, March 7th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. The spring market is here, and indications that sellers are ready to sell are in the data. Are there buyers? Yes, as data indicates, homes are going under contract in 12 to 14 days right now. Some areas are seeing a shorter time on the market, others a longer time. The DC market counties are seeing fewer buyers writing contracts, off 17% from last year the same time. Calvert, Montgomery, and Prince George's counties are seeing slower buyer activity, down 20% average compared to 1 year ago, while Charles County is up 6.5% and Frederick County rose 3.7% this year. Anne Arundel and Howard counties are seeing more contracts this year than last year, with Anne Arundel County up 12.9%, while buyer activity is down 15% from last year, and Howard County new contracts are up 1.4%, but buyer showing activity is behind 2.8%. 1,829 homes hit the market since last report, a rise of 1.67% from last report. Another 1,460 homes are coming soon, which is up 18% week over week. 1,447 homes went under contract, 5% more this report than last, and in 12 days. 1,346 homes sold this report in 16 days, and sellers did pocket 100% list to sold ratio as their net for these home sales. There are 2,584 homes for lease at a median $2,450. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, March 7th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.